Let's see how to create this text animations in Canva. Open Canva and go to text option. Now add a text box and type your text over here. Now after adding your text, adjust the size of the text and using this button rotate it. Now adjust the placement of this text to the center and if needed adjust the size again. Now let's select the page and go to background color option and add the colors to the backgrounds. Now go to this share button, scroll down and click on download. Now go to this file type option and select PNG and click on this button to download your image. Now let's upload this image to the Canva again. Go to uploads option and now select your file and click on open. Under uploads section and under images you will find your downloaded file over here. Now let's delete all these elements and the background colors and text from the design. Now add your uploaded image to this page. Now adjust the size of this to the page. Select your image and go to the apps section. Now here search for Copy Crop and select the app for further editing. Now start by cropping your image Start cropping your image. I'm going to add my first point in this corner, then add this diagonal line. Select this corner point. Now go straight to the downside and again come back to your original point where you have started cropping your image. Now scroll down and click on Add to Design button. Now again select your first main image and start cropping again for the another part. Start creating to crop your image with this point. Now same way go to the diagonal shape. Now we are going to add our second point in this opposite corner and again come back to your first starting point. Now again click on Add to Design button. Now select your main image and delete it. Now adjust the size of your both the images and place them to fit the page. If it's hard to select your second image from the page, now go to the position option and select your image from here and now start editing. Adjust the size of this second image and adjust this page to match our text. Now you can use control button while adjusting the placement of both the images properly. Now adjust the timing for first page. Select your page and go to this edit timing option and add 1.2. Now select your page and duplicate it. Now go to your first page, select your first image to animate option, scroll down and add a baseline animation. Now let's adjust the speed and add the directions from upside down. Now same way go to the position option, select your second image, go to animate option, scroll down, select baseline animation. Now click on enter option to animate, adjust the speed and now add the opposite direction, that is from downside to the upwards. Now this is how we have added animations to our first slide. Now let's go to the second slide. Add a text box. Now type your text in this text box. Adjust the size. Go to effects option, add lift effect and adjust the intensity. Go to colors option and adjust the colors. Now go to font option and add a font. Here I'm going to use brush script font. Now adjust the placement for the second text over here. Now go to animate option, scroll down and add a succession animation to our second text. Now to add the transitions between two pages, click on the center of two pages. You will get these two buttons. Select the add transition button. Now go to match and move option and adjust the timing or the duration for the animations between the pages. To add the music to your this animations, select the audio option and search for the music. Here I'm going to use new launch word. Now let's add this music to this. Add this music to the page and let's play our video. Friends, this is how we have created our text animation videos in Canva. If you have loved and enjoyed this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos and inspirations. Thank you.